When it comes to insurance, we all want the same thing: strong protection at a price that doesn't drain our wallets. Whether it's auto, health, home, or life insurance, premiums can be a serious monthly burden. But here's the good news: you can lower your insurance premiums without sacrificing coverage. Yes, it's possible to save money and still sleep peacefully at night knowing you're protected. In today's video, we're going to break down smart, effective strategies to reduce your insurance premiums while keeping your coverage strong and reliable. Let's get started. First, let's understand what an insurance premium actually is. Your insurance premium is the amount you pay, usually monthly or yearly, to keep your policy active. In simple terms, it's the cost of being insured. But what you might not realize is that this cost isn't fixed. It can go up or down based on several factors, many of which are actually under your control. The key is to lower the premium without weakening the coverage you rely on. So how do you do that? Let's dive into strategy number 1. Increase your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. For example, if you have a $1,000 deductible on your auto insurance and you get into an accident costing $3,000, you pay the first $1,000, and insurance covers the rest. By choosing a higher deductible, you take on a little more risk, but in return, you get a lower monthly premium. If you're a safe driver or have a low claim history, this can be a smart trade-off. Just make sure you have enough in savings to cover that higher deductible in case something happens. Strategy number 2. Bundle your policies. If you have multiple insurance needs, like car, home, or even renter's insurance, getting them from the same provider can lead to serious savings. Insurers love loyal customers, and they often reward you with discounts when you bundle policies together. You might save anywhere from 5 to 25% depending on the company and the types of coverage. And the best part? You still get full coverage across all areas. Now let's talk about strategy number 3. Ask for discounts. Many people don't realize that insurance companies offer a wide variety of discounts, and often they're not automatically applied. You have to ask. For example, you might qualify for discounts if you haven't filed a claim in a few years, if you have a good driving record, if you install a home security system, or if you take a defensive driving course. Some health insurers even offer discounts for non-smokers, gym memberships, or participating in wellness programs. Always ask your insurer what discounts you may be eligible for. You might be surprised how many you qualify for. On to strategy number 4. Shop around. It's easy to stick with the same insurance company year after year, but loyalty doesn't always pay off. Rates vary widely between companies, even for the exact same coverage. Make it a habit to shop around and compare quotes at least once a year. Get quotes from at least 3 to 5 companies, and don't forget to compare not just the price, but the coverage terms as well. There are even online tools and apps that make comparison easy and fast. A little research could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Strategy number 5. Maintain a good credit score. Believe it or not, your credit score can impact your insurance premiums. In many countries, especially the United States, insurers use something called a credit-based insurance score to help determine your risk level. The logic is that people with higher credit scores tend to file fewer claims. So, by maintaining good credit, paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding unnecessary credit checks, you may qualify for lower insurance rates. Now let's move to strategy number 6. Review your coverage annually. Life changes, and your insurance needs can too. Maybe your car is getting older, or your kids have moved out. Maybe you no longer need that extra rider you added years ago. Take time each year to go over your policies and make sure you're not paying for extras you no longer need. At the same time, be careful not to remove essential coverage just to save a few dollars. The goal is to optimize your policy, not weaken it. Strategy number 7. Use telematics or usage-based insurance. Some auto insurers now offer devices or mobile apps that track your driving behavior. Things like speed, braking, mileage, and time of day. If you're a safe, low-mileage driver, using telematics can lead to serious savings. Some companies offer discounts just for trying the program, even if your driving isn't perfect. If you drive safely and mostly during daylight hours, this could be a win-win. Let's look at strategy number 8. Choose the right vehicle or home features. Insurance companies calculate risk based on what you're insuring. A sports car is going to cost more to insure than a minivan. A home with a security system and updated wiring will usually have lower premiums than one without. When buying a new car or home, consider how its features will impact your insurance. Sometimes paying a little more upfront for safer or more secure options leads to long-term savings in premiums. Strategy number 9. Stay loyal, but smart. Some insurers offer loyalty discounts to customers who've been with them for multiple years. That said, don't let loyalty stop you from checking for better deals. Call your current provider once a year and let them know you're comparing rates. Ask if they can match or beat a competitor's quote. Often, they'll work with you to keep your business. Strategy number 10. Work with an independent agent. An independent insurance agent isn't tied to just one company. They can shop multiple insurers for you and find the best mix of price and coverage. Plus, they can help you navigate the fine print and make sure you're not missing out on any key protections or discounts. They can also help you reevaluate your needs as your life changes, whether you're buying a house, getting married, having kids, or retiring. And finally, strategy number 11. Avoid unnecessary claims. Every time you file a claim, your insurer takes note. A history of frequent claims, even small ones, can lead to higher premiums or policy cancellation. If the damage is minor and the repair cost is close to or below your deductible, consider paying out of pocket instead of filing a claim. Of course, you should always use your insurance when it matters, but for small, avoidable issues, it's sometimes cheaper in the long run to handle it yourself. So, let's recap. You can lower your insurance premiums without sacrificing coverage by increasing your deductible, bundling policies, asking for discounts, shopping around, maintaining a good credit score, reviewing your coverage annually, using telematics, choosing smart features, being strategic about loyalty, working with an independent agent, and avoiding unnecessary claims. The key takeaway is this: insurance is about protecting yourself and your future. Don't cut corners where it counts, but don't overpay either. With a little knowledge and effort, you can keep your coverage strong and your costs low. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to save on insurance. And let us know in the comments, what strategy are you going to try first? Stay safe, stay smart, and until next time, take care.